Hi Scorpio, and welcome to your reading. This will be a general reading for your sign for the week of September 8th to September 14th. Some of these storylines I've been picking up on are kind of specific, so I don't feel like it will resonate for everyone, every Scorpio. So, but I'm going to get started. I have the Rider-Waite deck that I'm using, and then at the end I will pull one final card from the Akashic Tarot, which is a deck I got recently and I really like so far. Okay, Scorpio, so let's get started. We're beginning your reading with Temperance, Six of Pentacles, the King of Swords, Justice. I'm going to also pull one more. Lastly, we have the King of Cups. Okay. Well, there's really strong energy on the right side, okay? I feel like there is a disconnect or something between two people, okay? I feel like your energy is being represented by this King of Swords. And I feel like the person you are dealing with is the King of Cups. I feel like it's like a power struggle between you guys. You desire things to be more equal, but I feel like this person doesn't know how to give you what you want. You see things as unfair. Maybe this person you feel like has wronged you and you're trying to explain yourself. You're trying to communicate this to them, but they're not able to do that. Okay? I feel like that communication is not their strength. Their emotions are involved though, but like they care, but I'm not sure if they can act the way that you want them to, if they're capable of doing that. I feel like they're incapable of giving exactly what you would like from them. They just might not have the knowledge of how to do so. But they definitely do care about you and this situation. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Five of Swords, and the Sun. Okay. I feel like, first off, that they're going to come to a realization soon. Okay? And I feel like they're going to pour more effort into the situation because they're sick of the conflict. But I feel like you're going to have some uncertainty after, like, if this is going to work, because there has been so much imbalance in this relationship and this person not putting in the effort that you really need. But I do feel like they're going to try harder, okay? But you have to keep in mind that trying for them, it might not be, like, they might take baby steps, but to them it's big, okay? I feel like this person is not very good at changing habits or self-reflection, which might be something that you excel at, okay? Or that you are able to understand, like, concepts of self-improvement much more readily than this person. And this is where you guys have gone into conflict, because there's a lack of understanding. Like, you guys are both intelligent, but I feel like in very different ways. And so, like, your strengths and weaknesses balance each other out, but it leads to conflict. It definitely leads to conflict. I feel like there's a lot of learning to do, but you have to keep in mind you have to do your own learning as well. And I feel like a large part of this is patience. because you get frustrated really easily with this King of Cups that you're dealing with. But he may need more patience from you, okay? Because I do see him caring, and I do see him beginning to put a lot more effort into your relationship, okay? I do strongly feel like this is a relationship, a serious relationship, like, and long term. It's been going on for a few years or more. Perhaps you guys are married, but it's definitely a serious, committed relationship. But you guys are definitely, like, you've been really frustrated recently with your partner. So for final outcome, we have the 9 of Cups. We have the 10 of Swords. We have the 3 of Wands and the 8 of Swords. Okay. 9 of Cups. I think things are going to improve, because you guys, it's like you're at a peak right now of how much you can handle, and you are, like I said, at a crossroads for your relationship, and you are wondering if all the effort you've put into it, if it's going to pay off, and you've been feeling stuck. But I do feel like things are going to turn around for you guys. I mean, it might not be like totally as passionate as when you first met, but I feel like things are definitely going to improve, and there will be less conflict. But part of that is also you. Just know that your partner cares deeply, and they just might move at a slower pace in terms of making changes or changing thought patterns. They just might evolve a little bit slower. But I feel like you guys are both on, like, your relationship is a catalyst for growth for the both of you. Okay, Scorpio? But there's definitely a lot of love and friendship between you guys. And I see that continuing for a long time. You guys are really important to each other in this lifetime. Okay, Scorpio, I'm just going to pull one final card for you guys. This is the 8 of Keys, the Master Artisan. Yeah, I feel like at this point in your relationship, this stage, it's not coming naturally, okay? Like, harmony. Like, you guys have to work at it so that you can have the relationship that you want. And you might feel like your partner is not trying, but it's like their version of trying is just different than yours. And if they have been resistant to maybe like therapy or talking about their feelings or whatever, I feel like this week definitely there's a major turnaround, and because they're afraid of losing you, they're afraid of that possibility, so they are going to step up. Just please be patient and be satisfied, even if it's like little changes they're making in the beginning. But you guys are going to learn how to improve your relationship together, and you will be successful. And I feel like it will be something that you're proud of in this lifetime, that you are able to stick it out. And you guys can be really positive role models for the people around you, because I do see that you're committed to this, and there will be success long term. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.